Alright, today we're going to go check out Thunderbolt's cave. Thunderbolt was a very polite cowboy, bushranger. That's right. He used to like to steal racehorses. They were the best type of horse to be a bushranger. Anyway, he lived in this cave for a bit. It's a special cave. It's got a chimney in the top. What else do we know about Thunderbolt? I think he died at some point because there's a grave nearby in Uralla. So the place we're going today is Black Mountain, up in the New England. We're going to check it out. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Daddy, show boy.
We made it.
Imagine living in there.
Do you need a torch?
Yeah.
I think I've got it in my pocket. Hang on.
Thank you. Guys!
Don't drop it.
No. Look at it. There's a star. Shing, shing, shing.
Bit of graffiti.
Graffiti.
I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit bigger than this.
Be cosy though.
I suppose warm in the winter.
Yeah, it's got a chimney. Oops, sorry.
No, you're
But
right.
the thing is, you can stand up. I can stand up in it.
I can too.
I don't know if I suppose I could if you could.
There's bits that
There's sharp bits.
There's things that bump yourself. His horse would be tied up outside. I don't think he'd bring his horse in here.
Yeah.
You couldn't get a horse in here. Oh,
If you got
you got to, if you could get it to, oh, it'd have to be a clever horse.
But you would have to put.
Alright, are you ready to go up the chimney? I'll come up behind you if I can fit.
All right, going up the top. You can climb up this one, can you?
Yeah, I think well, the boy could. I think I've done it before, so maybe I can still fit. I'll come up and give you a hand. It's quite easy to climb. It just comes out the top.
All right.
I think I can do it. Tuck through the oxen
You going to do a dance move up there?
Take the L.
It's pretty
It's
amazing.
another little one.
You can't
Guys!
fit up through that.
What have you found?
A little container.
Oh,
You probably, because the road's just over there. So probably put his foot there like that and came up here.
Yep, that's a good view.
I think I can see a stage. My goodness, it's Cobb and Co.
Thunderbolt.
Yeah, Thunderbolt away. Yeah, not much. Dad was saying that they reckon they caught the real Thunderbolt. He was shot dead. There's a legend. He actually got away and went off to live in California. It's a bit of a nicer end of the story. But, yeah, cozy little cave.